Everyone should lift weights. Everyone. Hi, I'm Amanda, the Body Coach. I've been a fitness professional for 20 years, and I'm here to bring you some extreme facts and some knowledge to ponder on to help you in your health and fitness journey. Yes, being active is one thing, but being in a customized, tailored strength training program is extremely empowering, both mentally and physically. Being physically capable to pick things up when you need to pick up heavy things or lighter things, that is extremely important in everyday life. Being physically capable with strong muscles. Who doesn't want that? Everyone. I don't care who says they don't. Everyone does. So whether you're starting your fitness venture, you're starting new, or you're coming back from an extended break, the question is, that I hear a lot, where to start, where to begin. There's so many training methods out there, so many versions and variations to explore. But I think the most important thing to keep in mind when you are venturing back into your health and fitness journey is do something that is specific towards your goals and do something that you love. Adapting your mind and body to the right training method is vital for optimal success, and you may want to seek some advice and guidance from a coach, or you may want to venture it on your own and do some research within that wide world of the web, but make sure it's something you enjoy and something that you can actually execute and have a specific goal in mind. Gravitate towards what you enjoy, what makes you happy, is simple, safe, and effective, and drives your results. That is simple, 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 simple. And well, you may test out a bunch of different programs until you find a specific training method that drives your results and that doesn't allow you to fall short. With strength training, you're always pushing the envelope. You're always tapping into endless opportunities and possibilities of strength, which lead to progression. It's surprising to see how lifting weights can benefit in your overall quality of life. Daily tasks become easier because you're potentially stronger. Once you start strength training, you're always wanting more. You're always trying to tap in to see your progression and your optimal potential. See what your body is capable of, and it's the best medicine for the mind, body, and soul. But when I started welcoming failure, it was my ultimate teacher. It taught me to keep pushing and not give up. This is carried over in both my professional and personal life. So I live a disciplined, structured life, welcoming failure to achieve things. Example, lifting weights and progressing. That stems from a detailed plan. Remember, how you do anything is how you do everything. Lifting is life, not just for physical benefits, but for the mental benefits too.